Hey everyone, Ward Vestal with Kangaroo Contractors again. You're probably getting inundated right now with phone calls, door knockers, and flyers from the recent hailstorm in the Metroplex. We wanted to talk to you about what sets us apart from the competition. We've been locally owned and operated since 1996 for 23 years. We are certified Hague roof inspectors. We have a A rating with the Better Business Bureau. We are 5-star rated with Google. And we also have certified drone pilots on staff that can come out, and if you have a really high steep roof, we can do the inspection. And many carriers now accept those inspections as enough for them to deny or confirm the claim, and we can write the entire estimate for you. We also are a member of the Roofing Contractors Association of Texas, which holds us to high standards. And we are also a GAF Master Elite certified roofer, and the manufacturer makes sure that we are bonded and insured for your protection. So remember, when you have any issues with your roof, gutters, windows, or siding, give us a call and we'll hop to it.